out from my window.
Or welcome if you are new. It is day 2 of my Valentine's Day decorating, and you'll have to excuse the noise because I have a washer and dryer right here going, which they always are, but I'm going to be decorating this little coffee bar type area today with some stuff that I got at Home Goods. I actually went back to Home Goods in the middle of filming the video yesterday, and I got a few more things, and some of them are in there on the table, but I will do a big tour at the end of all this so you guys can see everything that I did for my Valentine's Day decorating. So right now, let's get started on this area right here. So I told you I got these, and I was going to put them in a bouquet of flowers, but I don't know. I tried them in the bouquet in there, and I didn't really care for them. They were so big, but I don't know. There's something about them that's so cute. I think I'm just going to stick them in this plant right here. So I don't have anything else to do with them, so that's what I'm going to do. I just want to be careful not to like damage the root. I love this plant. I'm just going to lightly stick it in.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, it's looking pretty bare up here, so I just ordered some greenery from Target that I'm going to try out, and I haven't seen it in person yet. I've only looked at it online and I picked it up. I haven't even looked at it yet. But this is hard for me to decorate because of the stone. I feel like it kind of, like the greenery helps it. like downstairs, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't put that on the fireplace because I just like it a little cleaner. But I just feel like I have to do a different style in here just because of the way the materials it's made out of. So when it's just like empty like this, I don't know, it bothers me. We'll see what this looks like. Like I said, I have not even seen this. This was the only garland they had. Ooh, I think it's nice. It's very green. Has these pretty little white flowers. Wow, it's long too. So let's put this up here. See how it looks. So hard to get it to stay.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens.
Okay, this is the rest of the stuff that I got. I got another paper towel holder because I did not have one in there with the coffee bar area. And then, I guess they tied these together. I ordered 3 of these cherry blossom, or 4 of these cherry blossom stems. Oh, they're tiny, but they're really pretty. I just don't know about those up there, but I mean, I like them, but I kind of just want to like evolve to a different style, but it fits in here. So I got these cherry blossom stems. They're adorable. Got some of these, all sight unseen. Maybe make something together with those. And then I got some of these Wisteria stems. These are so cute for spring. So I'm going to try and do something with the coffee table. It's a little dark.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
Okay, I just stuck this Valentine teddy bear that I already had in the top of my closet under there, since I already put up my pink fur tree skirt and these flowers were just already under there. So I just stuck that in there and got the little ribbon and the ornaments on. And then I just stuck those little pick things that I bought and I didn't know what I was going to do with. I stuck those up there. Actually I think a few more would look cute up there. I'm like going all into this. Why do I have a Valentine's Day tree? Oh my goodness. I don't know. Like I said, guys, this was in my closet for Christmas, and whenever I packed everything up, I didn't have room to put this in, so it's like just been sitting here. But yeah, just a fun little closet tree that has now transformed itself for Valentine's Day. Okay, I haven't cleaned my room yet. I have a bunch of baskets in the floor that I can't really show you, but I did want to show you my new bedding, and I think I'm not going to keep it on there because, okay, look. Let's analyze what it looks like. Ignore my clothes baskets, but yeah, so it kind of just hangs down here. You know, it's just weird. And if I go over to the other side, it has to I has to hike it way up. I don't know. It's hard for me to get used to something else when the one that I had before went all the way to the ground. But I mean, I love the way this feels. This linen, I love linen. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. I just love all the texture. But I just don't love this whole thing. It always bothers me to see like comforters that don't like cover the entire mattress, and how this isn't even. And I know I could move it around some, and I don't know. I'm just trying to think if I just wanted to change it. I thought about taking the top off, the canopy thing. Thought about taking that down, but like, what would I hang up there? Artwork? I've got artwork right there on the opposing wall. And then if I hang a mirror up there, it's kind of pointless, and I've got a mirror on the over here, and I don't want to hang a mirror because, like, what if it fell on our heads? So I'm very self-conscious about how heavy whatever hangs above my bed is. So I've actually had something fall off and hit me on the head before, so I don't want anything dangerous that could hurt us up there. So if that thing fell, I mean, it wouldn't cause much real damage. It doesn't weigh very much, so oops, yeah. I mean, this linen is amazing. I love the fabric, but I just don't know if I can get used to, I don't know how to put it. There. Like, do I have to fuss with it too much? I wanted something that just looked a little, I don't know, like I said, I wanted something different, but basically it's the same but different. It kind of just looks messier, if you ask me. I'll show you. I'm going to put the other one back on that I usually have, and then you can tell me. I need to move the clothes baskets so they're not intruding on the view. But the pillows in the back are the linen covers as well. Now I'm thinking, like, I don't know. I adore the linen, but maybe I need like some kind of stiff, more elegant looking pillow instead of like a floppy one. See how it's floppy? If I just replace that pillow, boom! Valentine's Day. Guys, like, I've had this same bedding for 3 years, so, well, not that. This is brand new. I haven't even used it yet. I'm just trying it out. Also, there is a duvet inside of it, but I want to get a new one, so, I mean, it could possibly be fluffier. But yeah, I just wanted something new, but I can't, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I can't get on board with anything new. So I will show you what the original one looked like.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Okay. All right, this is the bedding. Let me fix it over here. Okay, this is the bedding that I have had for 3 years, and I was trying to find a different bedding, but I don't know. I just love the dramatic look of it going all the way to the floor. And no, I do not want a bed skirt. That's not that's not the look that I'm going for. This isn't the look that I'm going for per se, but I like it. So the problem is I just felt like I wanted a change. Like I said, I've had the bedding for 3 years. Maybe some of you might not think that's a long time, but I don't know. Like I said, I just felt like I wanted to do something different, but what am I gonna do? Am I just gonna keep the same thing forever? You know how, like, you can think back to, like, how your parents had their house decorated, or your grandma, and it's like, is this like, am I stuck in a rut? I'm starting to wonder, am I stuck in a rut, like, where my house is just gonna look the same for the rest of my life and I'm never gonna change it again? Oh my gosh. So, okay, let me know what you think you like better. Do you like the new duvet cover that I got? Or do you like this, which I would consider this a bedspread? And what I have is a duvet cover, and I have a duvet insert in it, which I need to replace that. I need to get a different insert if I'm going to use that. We do still use the duvet underneath this. I don't know, it's so complicated. I'm just going by the looks. I think I like this, guys. You just let me know in the comments below what you like, but yeah, this is my bedroom for Valentine's Day. The rest of it is not clean, so I'll just give you the shot of the bed. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.